We were pretty conscious that our underfloor heating, hot air heating, was going to pack up pretty soon, and therefore we had to sit down and look at the options. We did look at night storage heaters, but we were put off those because of the cost.
They pointed out that we would get enough hot water just from the air pump, so that we didn't need to have hot water from the roof. And the thought of having hot water just from the air was a fantastic idea. Lovely, fantastic idea.
Yeah. They were very good, actually. I mean, they had their own specialisms, but you could see also that they were working as a team.
We are hoping that we will have a very nice, warm, cosy winter.
Yes,
with electricity bills that go down instead of going up.